Welcome to WebStylePress. As a WordPress developer, to test different scenarios, plugins, themes, you need a demo or staging site. That demo site will need resetting again and again. To avoid reinstalling WordPress from scratch, it's easier to just reset it to default state and start over. In this video, I will show you how can you use WordPress Reset plugin free version to reset WordPress website. Go to Plugins, add a new, search for WP Reset. WP Reset. Install it and activate it. Go to Tools, WP Reset. Okay, first of all, do not try this for a live website. Try this on a demo site first because WordPress data will be affected here. Data will be deleted. On Reset tab, scroll down. We will look into free site reset area. You can reset website with these settings. Reactivate current theme, reactivate WP Reset plugin, reactivate all currently active plugins. Okay, we'll get back to it in a minute. Go to Tools area. From here, you can reset theme options and modifications for all themes. You can delete temporarily stored data. You can delete cache. You can delete locally stored data such as cookies and login info. You can delete all themes, including currently active theme. This is not recommended at all. You can delete all plugins. You can delete all files from Uploads directory. You can delete custom tables that are usually created by other plugins to store additional data. And you can also delete .htaccess file. Deleting .htaccess file is also not recommended at all. In a free WP Reset version, you can perform these tasks separately if you need. Okay, let's look at snapshots. Snapshot is not a complete backup. It's database only backup. If you delete files yourself or by using plugin, this snapshot cannot get those files back. I will create a snapshot from here. Create snapshot, name it, snapshot 1, create snapshot. $17 MB. Now this is your database backup. Now I will get back to what I want to do. Let me show you what I have already. I have got this uploads folder, and inside upload folder I've got few files. This is my current website right now. I'm using Astra theme. I have got few plugins. I'm using Astra theme. Media library has got few items. I have got few posts, and this is custom post type testimonials. I've got few entries here, and for pages I've got few pages in my website. I have this data in my WordPress website. I want to clear all data and move site back to default state, just like fresh WordPress install, but I want to keep currently active theme and plugins. So let's head over to Reset tab, go to Reset area, Site Reset. This is available for free version, and this is all you need in a free version. Okay, reactivate current theme Astra and reactivate all currently active plugins. Type reset and hit reset site button. Click reset WordPress. Let's look at how our site was affected. Refresh homepage. Now this is Astra theme back to default. Plugins, refresh plugins page. We've got all our plugins and these are active. And these are themes. Astra is active. For our media library, we have got items in media library. Media library items or images were not deleted. For our posts, we have got only one post, back to default, hello world. And for our custom post types, testimonials, those are not there anymore. So custom post types were deleted. And for pages, we have got privacy policy and sample page, back to default. All other pages were deleted. So for media library, images were not deleted, and these are in our uploads directory. Okay, now go back to tools and WP reset. Go to snapshots. Now let's restore snapshot. Let's say you don't like the change and want to get back your site's previous state. Restore snapshot. I'll have to log in again. Refresh home page and our website is back. Refresh plugins page. Our plugins are there. Our themes are there. Reload media library and our images are there. Refresh posts and we have got our posts back. Refresh custom post types and testimonials are back. For pages, refresh pages and these are our pages. So everything is back. So now site is back. Site was reset, but data was not deleted. Only database entries were cleared, and snapshot was just the database backup. So if you want to actually delete selected themes, plugins, or images in site, you will have to do it manually or use WP reset tools. These tools. In reset tools, for me, if I want to reset WordPress completely, I will use, first of all, I will use site reset from here. Let me show you again. I will not activate currently active theme and I will reactivate WP reset plugin and then I will reset site. Reset site. After that, I will go for delete plugins and clean upload folder from tools. Tools, WP reset. Tools. We have got plugins, but these are deactivated. First of all, I will use this option, that is clean uploads folder. We've got data in uploads folder. Clean uploads folder. Delete all files and folders in uploads folder. Okay, this folder is empty now. And then I will delete plugins. Plugins were deleted. So we have got only WP reset plugin left and all others were deleted. And now for our website homepage, this is the default WordPress site. Plugins, we've got only one plugin, WP reset. Themes, we have got default theme. Astra was disabled. We didn't deleted themes. Media library, no items here. Uploads is empty. And for posts, default post, testimonials are gone. That was custom post type. And then for pages, default pages are left. And you can see from the left sidebar, we have got default WordPress website. If I just want to change theme or change demo site or delete data for current site pages, I will only use site reset. This site reset, and I won't delete uploads folder, and I won't delete plugins. So there you go. This is WP Reset plugin, free version for WordPress to quickly reset WordPress site to do something different or to start over on same WP installation without reinstalling WordPress. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.